Hello students, welcome to Insight Knowledge. Today we are going to see all about least common multiple, that is LCM, and highest common factor HCF, right? Okay, let's get into the video. Let's start with least common multiple. What is that least common multiple? It's nothing but the least common multiple of two or more number. Yes, the least number, right? The least number, that is the multiple of all these numbers. Do you understand, students? If not, no problem. Let's see with the example. See the first example. Find the LCM of 4 and 6. This is simple method. Let's see how to solve. First write the multiples of 4. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and so on. And likewise the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. Here students, you can see many common multiples among these two numbers, that is 4 and 6, right? See what are the common multiples among these two numbers. Here you can see 12, 24, 36 and so on. You can see many numbers, but we have to find out the least number among the common multiples. What is the least number you can see among the common multiples? You can see 12. So the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Isn't it simple? You got it, right? Students, let's see two more examples in this method to make you very clear, right? See the first example, what they have given. Find the LCM of 10 and 30. First, you have to write the multiples of 10. What is the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. And then multiples of 30 are 30, 60, 90 and so on. Here you can see the least common, right? Least common multiple is 30. So the LCM of 10 and 30 is 30 because 30 is the lowest number in the list of multiples. This common multiples, right? See the second example. Find the LCM of 12 and 18. First write the multiple of 12. What is the multiple of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. And 18 is 18, 36, 54 and so on. Okay. So the LCM is 36 because 36 is the lowest number in the common multiple, right? Okay. You got it? The next method we are going to use to find LCM is prime factor method. Here, straight away go to the example. What is the example 1? Find the LCM of 35 and 490. Let's take numbers one by one, right? Let's take the number 35 first. Okay, what are the factors of 35? 7, 5 are 35. So 7 and 5 are the factors of 35, right? Students, what you have to do is, you have to write down the factors of the numbers one by one until you get the prime number, because what will be the factors of a prime number? 1 and the number itself. So no need to write the factor for prime number, right? Let's take the number 490. Okay, for 490, 10 into 49 is 490. So these two are the factors of 490. And then again, take the number 10. 10, what are the factors? 5 2s are 10. And for 49, 7 7s are 49. So we write down the factors of all the numbers until we get the prime numbers. See children, at last we get the prime numbers 5, 2, 7, 7 for 490 and for 35, 7 and 5. So write it down. For 35, what we have got? 7 into 5, and for 490, 5 into 2 into 7 square. I have written 7 into 7 is 7 square. Okay. Using these factors, we can easily find out the LCM. But there is only one rule. Let's see what's it. See students, what are the factors of 35? 7 into 5. Watch it clearly. The 7 into 5, it is already present in 490. Right? You can see it? Fine. So what you have to do is, see the first number 7 is already present in 490. So no need to write twice, write it only once. And then second number 5. Okay, 5 is also present in 490. So write the 5 only once. So what we get? 7 into 5. So what are the remaining factors in 490? 2 into 7. Right? Write it down. By multiplying these numbers, we get 490 as LCM of 35 and 490. Students, this is the very easiest method to find out the LCM of the bigger digits. That is, to find out the LCM of 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit numbers, right? Do you understand, kids? No problem. If we see another problem, it will be much better for you to understand. Let's see our second example. Find the LCM of 45 and 75. What is the first step? We have to find the factors for the given numbers until you get the prime numbers, right? So let's solve it. Take the number 45 first. What are the factors? 5 times 9 is the factor of 45. Write it down. And here 5 is the prime number, right? So take the number 9, find the factor. 3 times 3 is a factor of 9. So we end up with prime numbers. That's it. Take the number 75 now. 3 times 25 is the factor of 75. Here 3 is the prime number, but we have to find the factor for 25. So 5 times 5 is the factor of 25, right? Here also we end up with prime numbers. That's it. Now write the factors of 45 and 75. For 45, 5 into 3 into 3, and for 75, 5 into 5 into 3. Okay, students? Now here we come to the second step. We have to find the common factors in both the numbers 45 and 75. You see, the factor 5 is present in both the numbers 45 and 75. So no need to write twice, write it only once. And the factor 3 is also present in both the numbers. Write it only once. So what are the remaining factors in 45 and 75? 3 and 5. Write it as it is. So what we get? The LCM of 45 and 75 is equal to 5 into 3 into 5 into 3. By multiplying these numbers, we get the answer as 225. Isn't it easy, students? See here, find the LCM of 90 and 130 by using repeated division method. What is the repeated division method? You have to divide the given numbers, that is 90 and 130, by a prime number. Right, students? Okay, that prime number should divide both the given numbers, that is 90 and 130, with 0 remainder. Got it? Okay, let's see with an example. Take the numbers 90 and 130. These two numbers can be divided by 5. Divide 90 and 130 by 5. What will be the answer? 18 5s are 90 and 26 5s are 130. So what are the answers we get? 18 and 26. Here, students, you see 18 and 26 both are even numbers. So it can be divided by the prime number 2, right? So by using 2, how we are going to divide 18 and 26? 9 2s are 18, so write 9, and 13 2s are 26, so write 13. Now what are the results we get? 9 and 13. Here the 13 is a prime number, so it can be divided by 1 and the number itself, and it cannot divide 9 with 0 remainder, so leave it as it is. So we can easily find the LCM of 90 and 130. How? Let's see. You have to multiply both the divisor and the resultant quotient. What are the numbers? 5 into 2 are the divisors. Multiply by 9 into 13. The answer will be 5 into 2 into 9 into 13. If you multiply all these numbers, what is the answer you will get? 1170. So 1170 is the LCM of 90 and 130. Isn't it easy, children? And I think this video will be very helpful to you. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And here we end this video. In the later video, we will see how to solve HCF using the same method. Right? Until then, take care.